Okay children, let's see what are the questions of activity 4.1. Read the text and fill in the blanks with suitable words. Now children, to fill these blanks, you have to go through the dialogue again. Now see the first one. Kavin didn't go to school because he was not feeling well in the morning. Second one. They are going on a trip to Kandy tomorrow. The pupils will leave the school at 5:30 in the morning. Fourth one. The teacher asked them to bring an extra uniform, a cap, an umbrella, and a notebook. The information given in the booklet is about the places that they are going to see. Okay, next question. Read the following words aloud and circle the silent letters. මේ වචන ශබ්ද නගා කියවන්න silent letter එක circle කරන්න round කරන්න. දැන් පළවෙනිට දෙන half කියන එක. දැන් half කියන වචනේ in the word half what is the silent letter? එක letter එකක් දෙන එක ඒකේ sound එක කියවෙන්නේ නැහැ. අපි half කියන්නේ නැහැනේ. half කියලා කියන්නේ. එතකොට L තමයි silent letter එක. Next word is hour. අපි hour කියන්නේ පැයකට. hour කියන්නේ නැහැනේ. Correct pronunciation එක hour. Silent letter එක වෙන්නේ H. Now children, I have typed the silent letter in black, but you have to circle it when you are writing. Third word is wrap. W silent. Wrap කියන්නේ ඔතනවට නැත්නම් ආවරණය කරනකොට අපි wrap කියලා කියනවා. Fourth word is write. W silent. Fifth one, no. K silent. Okay, let's go to the part C. Find out more words with the silent letters from the dictionary and read them aloud. Now children, according to this question, you just want to find the words and read them aloud. No need to write. But here I have found a list of words. Let's write them. Okay, let's see what are the words I have found. When, where, whether, which, while. In all words, H silent. Also, in the words why, chorus, Christian, Christmas, H silent. In the word climb, B silent. Comb, womb, thumb, B silent. Knee knife, K silent. Knowledge, not, K silent. Wrong, W silent. Honest, honor, H silent. දැන් දරුවනේ මේ දෙවනි වචනේ not කියන්නේ ගැටය. දැන් අර සමහරවිට අපි කොණ්ඩේ බඳිනවනේ පිටිපස්සට ගෙඩියක් වගේ. ඒ කොණ්ඩ ගෙඩියට කියන්නේත් not එකක් කියලා. Ghost, stomach, technical, H silent. Wood, should, calf, L silent.